Please introduce yourself, the business you run, and roughly the size or scale of your operation.
My name is Nikita. I am right now working with Nasibo Creations Private Limited. And so right now we have actually started, like we are in a very, very beginning phase of the business, but we are expecting a huge number out of it because it's fashion, it's retail, it's something that every lady would like to wear, and it's women's wear brand, mostly ethnic, and we use premium quality fabrics, and the designs are very unique yet comfortable.
Okay. What was going on in your business, the specific challenge or frustration around AI that made you decide to join this workshop?
So the major challenge that we were facing was our just reconciling everything we have, like all the data what we have, and also just going through the numbers, how we should work on our KPIs, and how should we introduce all our staff members to how to use that consumer data. And AI has a lot of options where we can also do it by ourselves. I don't have to just go in a direction where I have to teach somebody to just do work for me. Just AI can do it if I give it a right prompt. And sometimes writing a prompt is also a difficult task. Sometimes I write something else, AI doesn't understand. So learning how to write a prompt is also a very important thing. And I think in this class, this is the good thing that I've learned, that it's very important to frame a prompt in a good way to get a good result.
What's the one thing you're walking away with that you're most excited to implement on Monday morning, and what kind of impact do you expect it to have?
I think I'm walking away with a lot of things because in these 2-3 weeks I've used AI a lot when it comes to images, because of course I'm from a creative field, so generating images and having a lot of data managed into. Also, I asked Claude to just summarize my contacts and give me a data, what amount of contacts I have, and summarize them, and tell me where is the geographical location of that contact and where they purchased from. Like they purchased from an exhibition where we went, or they came to a store, or just maybe online. So AI has actually helped me summarize the data, work on the data, and in this past 3-4 weeks I've actually used AI a lot, and I've learned that sometimes it's easier to just give them the prompt and just get the work done, rather than just me sitting the whole day and doing all the work. So it's like the time frame has actually reduced a lot.
So there's no shortage of AI content out there, YouTube, webinars, other workshops. What made this one different, and what did you make of Ritesh's way of teaching it?
Ritesh sir has like a very good aura, I would say. First of all, he teaches with a lot of effort and explains everything in detail, and he has given a lot of tools. He has make us believe, and also of course we have started believing it at a point of extent where we know that AI can do a lot of work for us. It has become a our first hand, or I would say second hand, who can help us in doing things. So yeah, of course Ritesh's teaching is quite interesting, different, and of course the learning is great.
A lot of business owners hesitate before signing up. They wonder if it's too technical, too expensive, or not relevant to their industry. Having been through it, what would you say to someone sitting with that same hesitation?
So in this session, we have a 9th standard student sitting with us, doing everything in a very pro manner, I would say. So if a 9th standard student can do it, of course everyone can do it. And I think everybody should become a part of it, learn from it, because it's very important that we work ahead of it, because in the coming times, if you're not using it, your competitors might use it and benefit from it. So it's better to start early and get that benefit from AI.
If there's a business owner watching who's serious about using AI to grow their profits, what's your honest recommendation about joining the next batch?
My honest recommendation would be you should definitely join, because it is going to be a huge learning, good experience, and your takeaway will be a beneficial takeaway for coming years. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.